Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is August the 29th, and about 3 weeks ago I started off some little potato pieces that I had cut off, older potatoes that had a little bit of an eye showing on each one of them, and I put them into water to start them off. As soon as they started getting roots, I just popped them into a little bit of soil. And you can see that we've got some nice plants going on. Some of the little roots down there, they're just starting off, but we've got 2 plants here and another one starting there and another one there, and then there's a tiny one right in there. So yeah, these will not yield any potatoes this year because we're just too far into the season now. You know, there's about another month or so, not even, and then our growing season is over. But I always enjoyed watching potato plants grow, you know, even if I don't have any yield. And I'm going to transplant these into a larger bucket after I film this video. But I just wanted to show you how nice they're coming along. And these are one of the easiest plants to start. And if you do start these off early in the season, it is amazing how many potatoes that one of these plants will yield. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show you that. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, I decided to come back. Just a really fast ending here, so I just decided to transplant them and get this on video. And these plants are going to be much happier. When I pulled out the bunch of them, you should have seen how many roots. The roots must have gone down in the little container almost to the bottom, so I was really surprised about that. Anyway, got them all in there, and there we go. So that really is the end of the video. That's it. Thanks for watching.